Assalamu alaikum. Hi students, how are you? Thank you all for joining online classes on English language. I am Abdurrahman, lecturer in English of Tanga Fazil Madrasa. Today we will discuss on article. You must know what is article. Article is a determiner which is used before noun or noun phrase. We can write definition of article. Definition. Article is a determiner which is used before noun or noun phrase. Article is a determiner. Article is a determiner which is used before noun or noun phrase. You can say article refers to a and the. A and the are called article. And we can divide article into kinds. That means there are two kinds of article: definite article and indefinite article. Definite article is the, and indefinite article a and n. Article is of two kinds: indefinite article, definite article. A and n are indefinite article. The is definite article. In the examination, you have to use a or n or the or cross in the gaps. Cross is used for no article. Now we shall learn where a and n is used. A or n is used before the noun which is indefinite. A or n sits before indefinite noun or noun phrase. Do you know how many vowels in English alphabet? You must know. There are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Now we shall learn the rules of using A or N. Use of A or N. Rule 1. An is used before the word beginning with a vowel. An is used before the word beginning with a vowel. A, E, I, O, U. On the other hand, A sits before consonant. Rule 1. An sits before the word. Word beginning with vowel. Vowel A, E, I, O, U. And sits before the word beginning with vowel A, E, I, O, U. A sits before consonant. For example, apple. The first letter of apple is A. It is vowel, so we shall use N. Dash egg. The first letter of egg is E. It is vowel, so we must use N. Similarly, N, ink pot. N, umbrella. N, orange. And so on. N sits before the word beginning with vowel. On the other hand, book, a book, because B is consonant, so we have to use A before book. Horse, a horse. A cap. A pen. A shirt, etc. We shall use A before consonant, and before vowel we shall use N. Understand? I think you must understand. Now rule 2. if the vowel is pronounced as U or wa, A sits before the word. If the vowel is pronounced as U, long sound of U or wa, then A sits before the word. I have to clean the board. N sits before silent is. Although H is consonant, but N sits before H when H is silent in the word. The word beginning with H, but H is not pronounced in the word, so N is used before silent H. Look, the rule 2 again. If the vowel is pronounced as long sound of U or wa, then A sits before the word A. On the other hand, N sits before silent H. For example, dash U dash unique dash university dash one taka note. In this word, with these words, there is a vowel in the beginning. U, E, U, U, and O are vowels. But when we pronounce this word, EWE is pronounced as long sound of U. So we shall use A before U. Similarly, unique. Unique, although U is pronounced, but it is pronounced as long sound of U. And university is similar. University. So, as university and unique is pronounced with vowel, but unique and university is pronounced use long sound of U. So we have to use A. Then one, O-N-E, one. O is pronounced as wa. So we shall use A before 1. Again, N sits before silent H. Silent H, like honest. Honest is a word, begins with H, a consonant, but H is not pronounced in this word. Honest, not honest. The word is honest. So, we shall use A, N before silent H. Similarly, yeah, our, we shall use N because H is silent. Honorable, we shall use before silent is N, and when the vowel is pronounced as long sound of U or wa, we shall use A before vowel, and we shall use N before silent is. Now, rule 3. Article before abbreviation. If the abbreviation, if the first letter of the abbreviation first letter of abbreviation short form of words, abbreviation. If the first letter of abbreviation is pronounced with a vowel in the beginning, and sits. And sits before it. On the other hand, A will sit. A sits before abbreviation. If the first letter, there are some letters in an abbreviation, and if the first letter of the abbreviation is pronounced with a vowel in the beginning, then N will sit before abbreviation. But if the first letter of the abbreviation is pronounced with a consonant, then A will sit before abbreviation. For example, dash MA. MA is a short form of Master of Arts. It is abbreviation of Master of Arts. The first letter of the abbreviation is M. The first letter is M. How will you pronounce M? EM. M equal to EM. M. This is M. It's pronounced EM. M. The first letter is vowel. So we shall use N before MA. For abbreviation, we only look at the first letter of the abbreviation. What is the first letter and what is its pronunciation? The MA first letter is M. M is pronounced M. EM. As M is pronounced with vowel at the beginning, so we shall use N before MA. Dash BA. Now BA. The first letter is B. Its pronunciation B E. B is pronounced like B E. B. So the first letter is B. In pronunciation of B, the first letter is B. It is consonant, so we shall use A before B. Can you understand? N M A, but A B A. Then dash L L B. Dash P H D. Will you use A or N before LLB? L. The first letter is L. E L. L. So we shall use N. But PhD first letter is P. P E P. So we shall use A. N A. I think you can understand the use of A or N as article. Now, homework for you. We have learned 3 rules of using A or N. The first rule, we can learn A sits before consonant and N sits before vowel. In rule 2, we can learn N sits before silent S and A sits before vowel as pronounced long sound of U or Y. And in rule 3, we can learn article before abbreviation. Now homework. Homework for you. You will try the homework at home. Number 1, use article A or N. Use A or N in the gaps. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. baby is eating dash ice cream. He came from dash aristocratic family. He is dash European. She is dash Auntie. She is dash Auntie girl. Number 5. My brother is dash MBBS. The baby is eating dash ice cream. He came from dash aristocratic family. He came up. He came of dash aristocratic family. He is dash European. She is dash Auntie girl. My brother is dash MBBS. Number 6. He is dash honest person. And then number 7. It is dash one act play. Then 7 sentences for your homework. You will try to put a or an in the gap. Thank you for joining us. Welcome for next class. Assalamu alaikum.